Good morning, students. Exercise 3.2. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian? Vertical and this is the horizontal line. The horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. So these lines are called coordinate axes. These lines are called coordinate axes. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Now, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by the two? I have already told this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. This vertical line and horizontal line intersects at the point O, and this is called origin. This point is called origin. So in figure 13.14, and write the following coordinate of B. This is 13.14. 3.14 is this figure. What is the coordinate of B? B is here. So what is the coordinate of B? B, you will first read on x-axis, the position of B on x-axis. This is your x-axis. So position on B, draw the perpendicular on x-axis. This is minus 5. The position of B is minus 5. So here it will be minus 5. And y is, draw the perpendicular from B to y-axis. This is, it will go to throw 2. So on y-axis, 2. So the coordinate of B is minus 5, 2. So coordinate of B is minus 5, 2. First you will write minus 5, then comma 2. Like this. Minus 5, comma 2. This first one is called abscissa and second number is called ordinate. Always you will write first on x-axis and second distance on y-axis. So the distance on x-axis is called abscissa and the distance on the second is called ordinate. The coordinate of C. The coordinate of C is where C is this point. So draw the perpendicular from C to x-axis. This is 5. So on x-axis it is 5. So the coordinate of C is 5, comma. Draw from C to y-axis perpendicular. Draw the perpendicular to y-axis. This is minus 5. So it goes through minus 5. So the coordinate of C is x is 5 and y is minus 5. So 5, comma, minus 5. 5, comma. Coordinate of C is 5, comma, minus 5. And the point identified at the coordinate minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3, minus 5. See, x is first is minus 3. The x-axis is minus 3. So you will take minus 3 on x-axis. This is your x-axis. This is your x-axis. So x-axis is minus 3. Where is minus 3? X-axis is minus 3 is 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is minus 3. X is minus 3 and y is minus 5. Minus 5 is y-axis, minus 5 is this minus 5. So draw the perpendicular, it will be E. The coordinate of minus 3 or minus 5 is E. The point in which you find the coordinate 2 and minus 4. X is 2 and this x is 2 and y is minus 4. So 2 and minus 4. This is the point G. This point x is 2 and y is minus 4 is called G. The point is G. The abscissa of the point D. The abscissa of point D. Abscissa is on x-axis. Abscissa is called the distance on x-axis. The D, point D. Where is point D? D is point. This is the point D. This is the point D. So on x-axis it is 6. So abscissa is 6. The abscissa of point D is 6 because total distance on x-axis is 6. So abscissa of D is 6. Now the ordinate of point H. The ordinate of point H. Where is ordinate of point H? H is here. So ordinate on y-axis. Abscissa on x-axis, ordinate on y-axis. And you will read on y-axis, this is minus 3. H is minus 3 on y-axis. So ordinate of H is minus 3. So ordinate of H is minus 3 because minus 3 is distance on y-axis. Now, the coordinate of point L. The coordinate of point L. Where is L? L is, where is L? L. Where is L? X, B, D, C, G. Where is L? M, L. L. This is L. S. This is the point L. So this is the point L. So this here, first you will read the distance of this L on x-axis. So x-axis it is 0. So it is x is 0 and y is 5. The distance on y-axis is 5. The coordinate of L is 0, 5. This is x. On x-axis it is 0 and on y-axis it is 5. 0, 5. The coordinate of M. The coordinate of point M. The coordinate of point M is here. M is here. So on x-axis distance is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3. X is minus 3 and y is 0. The distance on y-axis is 0 because there is on 0 line. So the coordinate of M is minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. Or abscissa is minus 3 and ordinate is 0. So first you will write minus 3, 0. That's all. Thank you.